How to change voice on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change voice on your Discord mobile. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that Discord haven't provided a feature to change your voice. In that case, you'll have to use the third-party application. As for the Android or iPhone, you can find the application on the App Store or Play Store. Simply open that. After that, search for the voice changer, and from there you'll have to just install that application. After you install that, you'll have to just give the permission for accessing your microphone. After that, simply open your Discord and you can join any server for any kind of voice conversation. Simply from there, while you are in the call on Discord, if you have set any voice models on voice changer app, it will automatically change your voice sound on Discord too. As usual, they will change your voice on any kind of voice calls on your device. And that's it. This is the method to change voice on Android or iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.